Let's go down to Repco and get some oil for your new diff.
You talking to me or the boys? Or?
Talking to you.
Oh. Okay.
Alright, so we got to get oil for Dale's new diff. What oil are we getting, Dale?
I'm gonna get fully synthetic 50W 16 amp, and we're gonna get 4 litres of it to go on the diff. Helix.
Yeah!
Hey, give me that back.
Nah, you're not getting this back, man. This is mine.
Let's go on to
Mine,
7-Eleven
bitch!
coffees. That's 7-Eleven coffees next Saturday.
Don't put it in.
Go check out that girl. That's really dude.
If you let me, here's what I do. I'll take care of you.
I'm buying this.
Alright, buy it. But what are we doing here?
How much is it? It's a clearance table. How much is it?
Oh man. Jacob,
It doesn't matter.
what are we doing here?
It's not marked. We're getting some oil like we explained 2 seconds ago. You know what I reckon the best one here is? Stop smoke. This will solve all your problems if your car's smoking. This is the fix.
Look, they've got a picture of a VE.
Smoke. Look at that. It looks like it's smoke. That looks like they've got a photo, like an image of clouds in the sky on like a dark day, like storm clouds, and they've just put storm clouds there. A tune up, Dale. Dale, we got a tune. No. This is a tune, man. Now you just need an exhaust.
How much is it?
No. Big intercooler.
1849.
Big intercooler now.
Intercooler in this.
Do you tip that in the computer?
Dale, no matter what car you get, what's the first mod you do?
Boost and tune, baby.
Boost.
Can you take the camera away from my pin, please, for a second?
Is there a reason why we're filming very exciting?
We're a famous YouTube channel.
Yeah.
And did a auto conversion. And then dropped the back of your house while you were asleep. Untouched with the auto.
Alright, Jacob, how quickly do you reckon you're going to get this job done?
Haven't seen this diff yet. Half-a?
Half-a?
Yeah, I'll allow myself half-a. To get it out, you man.
Shall we do a timer?
Yeah, I reckon.
Alright, Jacob's under the car, so our timer is going to start now.
Still feel the same, but a life with no fun. Please
Yeah, I'll need a breaker blower on the other one.
Jacob, while you're under here and you're waiting for Jamin to get you tools,
Yeah.
talk us through how many bolts there are to undo to get the diff out.
27.
Oh, there we go. Alright, just a little update on Jacob's timer. It looks like he's not going to make it in half an hour. He's not even close.
Need a hammer. Did you undo? There's another bolt in here that you haven't taken out.
Is there another one again?
Here.
Where?
Oh, the head's still bolted in.
So they have two on top of each other then.
Really?
They have a bolt, an earthing plate, and then another bolt.
That's funny.
And just one bolt in that one. I was wondering why it was so far out. Much further do I have? Oh, is that what was holding it? That's so funny.
Here's what I do. I'll take
This is the new Diff here. It's a CAS two-way. The rear housing's off, so you can have a look at what the two-way looks like. This is a clutch type LSD, so a little bit better for drifting than a viscous or a torsion. So we've also got for the front, we've got solid bushes here. Like, the way I see it is, it's worth spending like $2 can on a $600 diff just to make sure every stone is out. If one stone goes in there, then the whole thing's all over.
Jacob, are you leaving before lunch or after lunch?
Probably before.
Alright. Well then, between the three of us, what's for lunch?
Dunno. I'm not too fast today.
What's for lunch?
No idea. We're actually running out of lunch ideas. I could honestly go sushi. Just straight up sushi.
It's my birthday, I get if I want to, can't deny that I want you, but I
Jabin, did you just drop the diff?
Yeah. All the silicon's full of bitumen now. Dale, you got rocks in your diff now.
Thanks, mate.
Can you stop laughing the way after?
Bye, Jacob.
Yeah, I'll come back when you can't get it in, Jamin. Tonight.
So it took Jacob 43 minutes to get the old diff out, and Jamin reckons he's going to get the new one in quicker than Jacob got the old one out.
I've never changed a diff over before. Jacob's done about 6 now.
Theoretically, it makes a lot of sense that it'll be faster to get it back in. However, it's comparing Jacob to Jamin, so put your money on who you think's going to be quicker. 3, 2, 1, go. Alright. I need the pliers.
ever have to worry. You won't ever have to hide. You've seen all my mistakes, so look me in my eyes. 'Cause if you let me, here's what.
So there's 4 bolts that hold the diff in. There's 2 on the back and 2 on the front. Apart from that, there is 2, 4, 6 bolts for each half shaft. 4 bolts for the tail, for the drive shaft. There's a speed sensor, 1 bolt, and there's also a little breather hose up the top. That's the whole job.
So it's been 24 minutes since Jamin started.
Is it really?
He's made a little bit of progress.
What do you mean a little bit of progress? You know how many more bolts I've got to put in?
How many?
3.
Yep.
I'll take care of you.
Stop!
44-34.
What's a Jacob? I could have beat him if I hustled a little bit at the end. What? It's basically like a weldy.
I know you've been hurt by someone else. I could tell by the way you carry yourself. If you let me, here's what I'll do. I'll take care of you.
Are you eating it with your hands, Cameron?
I can't use chopsticks.
Well, you gotta learn.
It's an Asian that comes. Freaking feast for a Japanese emperor.
I think we're gonna go somewhere to do some burnouts. That's what I need.
The Diff's installed, it works awesome, so we're gonna go take the car out Tuesday night and test it out.